Hi, this is Electronics. In this video I will take apart this faulty WonkeyMonkey Bluetooth speaker. My friend bought it and it did not work from the start, so I will take apart to look at it from the inside. The first step is to take down the rubber pads from the bottom, and these reveal 3 Phillips head screws. Taking these out reveals the main circuit. This is the main circuit with the battery attached to it with double-sided adhesive tape. Four more screws can be found inside, which I did took out, but it did not loosen up the top part. Usually I would break it, but I want to repair this Bluetooth speaker, so I just leave it like this. I connect the oscilloscope to the output to see if any signal is coming out, and to my surprise it was, just not an audible sound but only some small noise. My phone could not find it on the Bluetooth device list to connect to it, so I couldn't play music on it. I've desoldered every wire from the main circuit and took it out from the device. I make some close-up shots of the circuit and the battery. RDA5851 Bluetooth receiver IC is used to receive the audio signal from the phone. LM4871 3W bridged audio amplifier IC is used to amplify the audio. 8205A MOSFET, 2YL6 power management IC and DW01A protection IC are responsible for the charging of the lithium-ion battery and the operation of the Bluetooth circuit. You can find the datasheet for these components in the description. This is the 400 mAh lithium-ion battery used in this speaker. I will keep it and use it with the new circuit. That's it for today's teardown video. Join me in my next video where I will try to repair this Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this and don't forget to subscribe.